You know, I've argued this and debated this since I was young. And I really couldn't come up with any good definitions. I like to think it's some form of self-awareness or reasoning, logic, and memory that's kind of more standard IQ tests. Maybe it's a capacity for empathy, because I know a lot of people that can't empathize. It means you don't have enough life experience to put yourself in that person's shoes. But artificial intelligence uses a stricter test, slightly stricter. It's they determine if it is truly self-aware that they can fool a human being for an hour talking to an artificial intelligence program. And so that test has stood up for a long time. They're way past that now, but you won't hear about that in the regular news.
And that's what everybody's talking to, this voice of God computer system. And in the meantime, they got organized gang stalkers doing E.E.G cloning their brains to my brain, rewiring my brain, putting blasphemies of the Holy Spirit through me, all types of channeling. And this guy here is saying he's empowered the dark side, and there's a very, very evil dark side to this, but he don't want to get into it. He knows exactly what's going on, and it's the hyper game theory.
How do you define it? How do you classify